Would you rather eat an apple or a cherry? Would you rather eat ice cream or a donut? Would you rather have pizza or a burger? Would you rather drink coffee or tea? Would you rather eat pancakes or waffles? Would you rather drink hot chocolate or a milkshake? Would you rather have popcorn or chips? Would you rather have a brownie or a cupcake? Which one is your favorite?